Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the Joy-Con rail slider on the Nintendo Switch left Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or a pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the left Joy-Con rail connector ribbon. Lift the lever and gently slide out the cable. Next, undo 2 screws securing SL-LR button board and then gently free the board. Next, undo the screw to pull out the rail slider from the rear shell. Next, free the buttons on the rail using a tweezer. Next, place and secure buttons on the new slider rail. Next, place the SL-LR button board and secure it by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the rear slider flex connector into the board and then fasten the lever. Next, secure the rear slider by adding the screw. Next, secure the battery plug Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Finally, snap the cover and then secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.